question. The table above shows the population of Greenleaf, Idaho for the years 2000 and 2010. If the relationship between population and year is linear, which of the following functions P models the population of Greenleaf T years after 2000? And if we are writing here 0, 2000, and let's say 2010, we write with a 10. In 2010, they were 846. So let me write here the population 846. And in 2000, they were 862. 862. And now if we want to find out 862, so we can take very easy this one. We can subtract 862 minus 846. And we see this difference here is a 16. But the rise of this function, so the rise of this function is 16, and the run of the function is a 10. And if we are looking for the slope, m is going to be rise over run. So informally we can write rise over run. But the rise here is a 16, and the run is a 10. So 16 divided by 10 is 1.6. So we already found the slope. But as we see here, because the slope is from point 0 to point 10 is declining, we have a inclination, a negative inclination. So it means it's a decreasing. It means that the sign is negative. So the slope is a minus 1.6. So it's a negative slope. And now if we want to write a function, so let me write one easy function here. Y is equal, but if we see, for example, if we write in slope intercept form, is mx plus b. But in our case, m is a minus 1.6 x, and b is the b-intercept, the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 862, is a plus 862. So this is a describes. But in our case, it says, for instance, it says here after 2000. So the model's population Greenleaf T years after 2000. Because it says T years after 2000, so we can write this one. So the y is going to be, so let me write it with a positive value. This 862 is minus 1.6. And if we write it, for example, in terms of the t is a year, but a minus 2000. So we can take year 1, for example, 2001 minus 2000 is 1. So in every year is going to decline for 1.6. But let's say, for example, 2010 we are plugging in. Instead of the t, 2010 minus 2000 is going to be 10. 10 times 1.6 is minus 16. And if we are subtracting from 862 minus 16, we can get this 846. So the best result, according to our reasoning, so P of t is going to be 862 minus 1.6, t minus 2000. So this is the best answer. So the best answer is answer D.